Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another video. We're in the kitchen and we're going to be making some homemade salsa with tomatoes straight from the garden. These tomatoes are the Haas brand tomatoes, and usually we use Roma tomatoes when we're making our salsa, but today I decided that I was going to use these because this is all we had. The ingredients that I'm using is a little bit of cilantro, some red onion, garlic powder, and close to the end, I used some jalapenos. I don't think I captured that, but yeah, we added some jalapenos for a little bit of heat. But yeah, enough of talking. Let's just get right into this video. In this clip, I did not use my blender, but if you're going to be making this recipe, make sure you're using the pulse on your blender because with the NutriBullet, there's no way that you can kind of pulse it, so you don't want to over blend it. So I was struggling with this, but I got through it. And as you see, it was still a few chunks that were in there, so I just pulsed it again to the best that I could, and then it was all good. So right here is where I realized that it was extremely too watery for my liking. But b- depending, well, considering the type of tomato that I use, because I would usually use Roma tomatoes with this because those are the best for making salsa. But in this case, I only had the Hass tomatoes, so they were a little bit more watery than the Roma tomatoes would be. So in order for me to suffice for that, I had to boil this grinded up mixture that I had. So my camera had died. So I did that off camera. So what I did was just pour this mixture inside of just a pot and let it simmer on low. You don't have to cover it up. I just let it simmer, and I was just constantly stirring it until most of the moisture was out of it, and it was still kind of thick and chunky, like I like it. So if you are doing this recipe and you feel like this is too watery for you, you can add some thickeners like cornstarch or something like that. But in this case, I just wanted to have something real quick, so I just boiled it down, boiled some of that liquid out of it, and it turned out perfect. So now I'm just adding some garlic to this. You can just add this to your taste. I like the taste of garlic, so I use quite a bit, and then I just folded it over inside the salsa mixture. But yeah, this is how it all turned out. And this is just a little quick taste test, and it was extremely good. I added some jalapenos to this just to kick up that heat just a little bit, and it was really, 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 really good. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave us a thumbs up. Drop us a comment down below and let us know if you tried salsa. If you have a recipe, drop it down below and let us know. But look at this, how chunky this is. But anyway, we'll catch you in the next video, and make sure you check out this playlist that we're going to put right here so you can check out all of our gardening videos as well. But we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.